How to unlike notes on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you liked Instagram notes and don't know how to unlike them? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to unlike Instagram notes. Open Instagram on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. Here, you will see the Instagram notes section. As you can see, I have liked an Instagram note. To unlike it, single tap on the image of the user or the text or emoji posted on the Instagram note. A menu will appear and you will see a few more options like replying to the note and a heart icon next to it. As you can see, the heart icon is turned red, indicating you have liked the Instagram note. All you need to do is single tap on the heart icon and it will become transparent, meaning you have unliked the Instagram note. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to unlike Instagram notes. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.